Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2026 Ford F-350 XLT. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by that lovely 6.7-liter Power-Stroke turbo diesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing chrome accents with rear side steps. You got your tow hitch, receiver, backup camera, got mud flaps on the rear, the FX4 Off-Road Package, and the camper package with a tailgate step, bed camera, running boards on either side, trailer tow mirrors, blind spot detection, side view camera, turn light, spotlight indicated, mud flaps on the front, and moving to the front we got recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does see up to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior with your 6 additional seat right here, cup holders with 2 USB-Cs, 12 volt, and a lovely split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a mostly power driver's seat, with this being the only manual part. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, we got your lights, park brake, pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 10 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at your main screen here, you got a digital speedometer, which is always handy, trip 1, fuel economy, measurements, comm screen, speedometer, all that fun, cup holders, and a nice little phone slot with storage below. You do get your 6 additional seat right here with storage below. We got storage here as well, USB, USB-C, and a 12 volt. Drive modes with 4-wheel drive, rear locking diff, trailer brake with your climate controls right there. We got heated door mirrors, not meals, 12 volt, 120, storage above, below. On the dash with 6 Upfitter switches, you can set up however you please. Your engine brake, hill assist, little storage cubby. We have audio, compass, and phone. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got your phone controls. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the App CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings. And your features of the vehicle, such as your zone lighting, towing, owner's manual, and driving assist. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is ED97643, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.